SIGER Data Tool Monitoring System, brand new upgrade. Challenges in modern manufacturing. Unmanned machine tool monitoring is key for quality and efficiency. Complex conditions like multi-axis, multi-process, multi-tool work, and micro-cutting need precise sync monitoring of critical nodes. Machine tools need a better perception and decision system. The SIGER Data TMS ensures data integrity via synchronous multi-channel power and vibration signal collection. In complex operations like turning, milling, and 5-axis work, it captures multi-dim, high-frec signals from axes and tools. At the feature analysis level, the system employs a multi-algorithm AI engine to comprehensively analyze multi-channel data, for example, power, vibration, along with machining parameters. It conducts feature extraction, model training, and high-dimensional algorithm validation to establish precise mappings between power-cutting states and vibration spindle states. Using multi-channel signal collection and high-dimensional feature analysis, we can precisely trace abnormalities. Proactive intervention, based on wear thresholds, optimizes tool use before accuracy is compromised. System data is visualized for unmanned, full-process monitoring. It also extends from single machines to production lines, creating a unified tool monitoring network for centralized control and smart decisions. The SIGER Data TMS tool monitoring system is newly upgraded, achieving multi-dimensional analysis, from single signal to 20+ feature cross-validation, comprehensive protection, covers all scenarios, from heavy to micro machining, intelligent decision-making, real-time, reliable data for flexible and unmanned lines. Choose SIGER Data for cost-cutting, efficiency boost, and worry-free production.